I went to the garden of love and seen what I never had seen. A chapel was built in the mist where I used to play on the green, and the gates of this chapel were shut, and I shall not recover the door. So I turned to the garden of love that so many sweet flowers bore, and I saw it was filled with the graves and tombstones where flowers should be, and priests in black gowns were walking the roads and biting with briars my joys and desires. Sungere